In this video, I'm going to share with you how to begin your yoga journey. If you're a beginner and you know nothing about yoga and you would like to get into it, you have a spark of interest and you want to know more, I'm going to be sharing a few tips on what you can do and how you can go about becoming a yoga guru and getting on your yoga journey. Number one, do what you can. This is your practice. If you can only take a step 1 meter apart, that's fine. That's good enough. You have to meet yourself where you are, start with what you have, and work with what you have. So only do what you can do. Number two, no need to overstretch and no need to overtense, especially because you're beginning your yoga journey. You might not know your limits. So you're learning how far you can stretch, what tension feels in your body. It's a place of learning how to connect to your body. So no need to overstretch, no need to overtense, so that you can also have a long life, a long journey of doing yoga. So small steps, solid steps will get you there. Number three, at your own pace. So because this is your practice, you decide where you are going to take it, how far you're going to take it, taking it one step at a time and progressively moving slowly. Doing a daily practice is the best. So not saying, oh, I'm only going to do yoga 5 times a week or 2 times a week. Just do as much as you can whenever you can. So take a 5-minute break in the morning, or a 5-minute break in the afternoon, or maybe you've got 10 minutes in the evening, or a whole 20 minutes, So just take the opportunity wherever you can, because it is going to be beneficial for all areas of your life. Number four, if you're going to a yoga class and you are training with a group of people and you are a beginner, don't get discouraged by the other people in the class. They have probably been doing yoga for much longer. Their flexibility is much more than yours, and so is their strength. Yours will be built in time. So remember, block everything out. This is your practice, your mat. When you're on there, it's all about you and your own warrior. So you are challenging yourself, nobody else. And coming to point number 5 on that, it is an internal challenge. You are going up against your own inner warrior. You are doing this for yourself, by yourself, nobody else. So remember, it is your practice. What is yoga? Yoga is anything you want it to be. For me, yoga is a personal practice where I incorporate yoga, meditation, and breath work, and movement, mobility. And this is all for helping me to create focus in my mind, helping to calm my nervous system, and helping to energize me and prepare me for life and any challenges that I'm working through. This yoga, the postures, what I embody in all the stances is giving me the ability to move forward in my life. So I practice in yoga and I use that in my life. Number seven, if you have the opportunity to get a yoga block and you cannot touch the floor yet, I highly recommend getting some blocks, getting some straps to help increase your flexibility. Don't be afraid of going into deep postures that are difficult. Hold them for a certain amount of time and then come out, because that will increase your flexibility very quickly. And number 8, we need to have patience in the process of learning. If you have patience, you will surely achieve your goals. So it is time and practice that will get you to your goals. Thank you for joining me. I'm May, and this is Yoga with May.
If you're loving your yoga practice, but you'd like to know more about awareness and how to overcome negative self-destructive patterns holding you back, or you're going through a life transition and you don't quite understand your own behavior, or you have this kind of cloud sitting over your head and you literally cannot think straight. It feels like you're just in a total haze and you've been acting in very strange and unfamiliar ways. It's possible that you're going through major life transitions and you're not sure how to cope with them. So if you are going through a life transition, whether you're a man or a woman, in your mid 30s to late 50s, look at the link below, because I have a course and a school that is helping people to move through this life transition with ease, with simplicity, with peace in their heart, with a clarity of mind, lifting that cloud right off your head and changing the way you see the world. So if that sounds good to you, click on the link below, join my school, and come and join me for some deep work on awareness and training yourself to find that purpose and meaning back into your life. Can't wait to help you.